Just putting in a little Sunday work. With his bottle. He's gonna take a nap with Daddy. In the excavator. He is digging a little trench on both sides so that, uh-oh, someone's not happy. I better get out of sight. So that I probably look not that great because I just worked out, but he's just building a trench so there isn't so much like of this grass that comes through over here, because he's gonna put some more rocks down for the driveway. All right, gotta go back in. This is the best purchase I got from Walmart, I swear. Here's Willie, and yeah, time to make an egg sandwich because I am so hungry. Let's do it.